The East India Company was founded in 1600 by a group of English merchants who wanted to trade with India and the Far East. At the time, Europe had a growing appetite for luxury goods like spices, silk, and tea, and the East India Company saw an opportunity to profit from this demand. Initially, the company was granted a royal charter by Queen Elizabeth I, which gave it a monopoly on English trade with Asia. Over time, the company expanded its operations, establishing factories and trading posts across India, China, and Southeast Asia. One of the key figures in the company's expansion was Robert Clive, a British military officer who helped to establish British dominance in India through a series of military campaigns and strategic alliances. By the mid-18th century, the East India Company had become a major player in Indian politics and controlled large swathes of territory, including Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. Despite its commercial success, the East India Company faced a number of challenges, including corruption, mismanagement, and conflict with Indian rulers and traders. In 1858, following the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the British government abolished the company and took direct control over India, establishing the British Raj that would last until Indian independence in 1947.